Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today's video about Toshiba portable air conditioner, how to change your display from Celsius to Fahrenheit or from Fahrenheit to Celsius. If you see you have a remote like that, in my case I have this one. So somehow I believe after last year use I put this AC away and I took the battery out, and this year when I put a battery and I turned on this AC and I see it's automatically moved to Celsius. So now I'm in United States, so I need to move to Fahrenheit, and I will make a video how we do, because I have a video before for this AC and I have a lot of questions how you change or something. So simply what we're gonna do, if we wanna change at the remote, you see there's a down arrow and up arrow for temperature. We're gonna press and hold both at the same time, so it will change. At the AC, it's not changed yet. So we're gonna turn on AC. You see it shows 24 Celsius. What we're gonna do over here too, we're gonna press and hold up and down arrow, same thing, and it will change. So you can see now it's set to 73 already, and we have changed this display from Celsius to Fahrenheit. If you wanna go back from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you have to press and hold, same thing. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next video.